Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents. Now I'm stood out on the balcony of apartment 6 in Holmesdale, which is in Woolacombe. It's a really lovely one-bedroom apartment this, literally just a stone's throw from the beach and the village amenities. You'll just see in behind me here how close the beach is. Now there's wonderful views from this balcony right across the beach out towards the rugged coastline. The apartment itself's got a lovely open plan living and kitchen area, a double bedroom and bathroom, allocated parking, and is perfect for those looking for low maintenance living down near the sea. So let's have a look now. So just coming in through the main flat door here, and you'll see the entrance lobby and the entrance hall directly in front of us here. Now there's a couple of rooms leading off this upper level, so we've got the bedroom here up onto the right, and then we've got the bathroom just into the left here. Show you more of that in a second. I'm going to head straight down into the main living space here, go down a couple of steps here, and then you've got this really nice open plan kitchen, dining and living space in here. So it's a nice bright and airy sort of open living space, great for sort of communal living. Ideal if you're here on holiday, everyone's together of course, or actually if you're here, you know, as a permanent resident, because these properties can be lived in permanently as well, then it's just a nice modern way of living. So the kitchen here has got various built-in appliances. The big tall cupboard at the end there is housing the gas-fired boiler for the central heating and hot water. We've got a washing machine built into the cupboards, a dishwasher. You can see the oven and the hob and the extractor above there. And the other tall unit at this far end here is a fridge and a freezer. So the kitchen is well equipped with everything that you'll need here. Room for your table and chairs in the middle there, look. And then you've got this nice little lounge sitting area down at this end. And of course, your eye gets drawn to these sliding doors which lead out onto the balcony. So as you can see there, the balcony has a table and chairs, so plenty of room there for sitting out and enjoying. Now from the balcony, this is really where you get the fantastic views, because you're looking down the side of the building here, right out towards Woolacombe Beach. So as you look down the side there, you can see the fantastic golden sands across to Baggy Point there as well, off in the distance. And it's a really great sort of central location this, because you're smack bang in the heart of the village and everything is close by. You know, you can literally walk to the beach in a few minutes, you can walk to the village shops and amenities. Everything is really on your doorstep here. There's an allocated parking space with this flat as well, and that means you can park your car and walk everywhere, not have to worry about, you know, getting the car out and all of those sorts of things. So coming back up to this slightly upper area, we've got the double bedroom in here. As you'll see, it's a really nice sized bedroom, double bed there, bedside cabinets either side, and a nice array of built-in furniture. So wardrobes there, you've got the dressing table in the corner, and you've got this other little fitted unit with the TV on over the other side as well. So yeah, nice sized double bedroom here. Now, if you're living here permanently, you know, this is perfect for a couple, so first-time buyers, that type of thing. Or if you were letting this for holidays, there are little sofa beds. There's another little sort of put-you-up bed there, and there is a sofa bed as well in the main living area, so you can house more than 2 people. Probably 4 comfortably would be okay here. Final room in the house, or the apartment, should I say. We've got the bathroom in here, so we've got the white suite, so toilet there, we've got the bath, and there is a shower up above the bath there and a folding shower screen. And as I come back here, you've got the hand basin set in this little alcove, cupboard underneath, and then over the far side here we've got the nice heated towel rail. So it's tiled walls in here as well, so all nice and easy to keep clean. So that's about the extent of the inside of apartment 6 Holmesdale. However, Woolacombe is situated in an incredible location on the North Devon coast and is famed throughout the UK for its wonderful 2.5 miles of golden sand surfing beaches. Now, Holmesdale is perfectly positioned close to the beaches and all of the local amenities and some of the fabulous coastal and countryside scenery you have on offer. So there we are, that's apartment 6 at Holmesdale, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, it really is a lovely one-bedroom apartment this. As I say, situated right in the centre of the village, so you can't get much more convenient for the local amenities, and of course the fabulous 2.5 miles of golden sand beaches here. So just to recap then, you've got this lovely open plan living, kitchen and dining area. You've got a double bedroom, you've got the balcony with those lovely sea views, allocated parking, perfect for low maintenance permanent living or as a holiday home or a holiday let. So to come and view this property physically, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.